Well, what's a garden party without a great garden?
Woo woo.
Right? Well, we've got the party right here, and we have the perfect thing to make your garden grow and to make it easy on your knees, your back, all the other body parts that make gardening such a chore. Because this is your garden kneeler. It's a very clever design. So it's your folding seat as well as your kneeler. It flips around. I love smart people.
Just like that.
I love smart people.
I like easy.
Oh, me too.
I like smart
and I
people.
love affordability. This is $19.95 for it. It is lightweight, but it's made of metal. You have some foam right here. Chad's gonna tell you all about it. I'm gonna tell you right now, 1/3 of our quantity was ordered, 1 airing. Okay, 1 airing this morning. So this is another item that if you're thinking about it, you need to be ordering it quickly. This is just a perfect solution. I'm gonna tell you, we call it garden. I'd use this all through my house.
Cleaning the grout, cleaning under the cabinet, fixing a pipe underneath your kitchen sink, you name it. Okay, first off, let me back up.
I'll use it high. You use it low because you're a little younger.
It's not even ground, so I'm just gonna warn you up front. Okay, just so we're all safe here. We launched this 2 weeks ago in Guy's new show on Friday mornings.
Right.
It's now a customer pick.
Wow.
It hasn't even, it's been 2 weeks today since we launched this 2020 version, but we know it works because we've been bringing it to you every year. We keep making it better and better. So this year, it is powder coated steel. We have 2 layers of EVA foam. That's that material we use in those high-end running shoes to absorb the shock, making it comfortable for you to run, which means for you, when you have it in the kneeling position and you put your knees on it instead of the hard ground, your knees are absorbed by the EVA foam and not the dirty, hard, rocky ground, okay? So that's one big thing. When I have the oversized handlebars, I call them handlebars for a reason, because if I'm kneeling on it and I need to get back up, this is where it becomes difficult for a lot of people, even myself. I can grab it, push myself up and use my arm strength, which I have. A lot of people have some arm strength, but not a lot of knee, hip, back strength, you know?
Right, well, who wants to, you know, put the pressure here when I can just go
100%.
right here?
Now, when I want to get back down, Alyce, watch what happens. I only need to get about this far because my arms can hang on to it, and then I can gently, slowly, easily get myself down to the ground. I might not need that, but you might. So think about that. You don't have to go down to the ground real hard, okay? And then when I want to get back up, that's where it really becomes a magical item. And that's why it's been so popular, is because I just use my arm strength and those oversized handlebars to get back up. And then you, if you wanted to trim a rose bush or you wanted to trim a little hedge or something like that.
Just have a little spot in the garden.
Or if you wanted to
I could do that.
Wash your tires. Guy Yovan this morning was talking about washing his tires. Danny's already stolen this from him to clean his new car. I guess Guy says he's cleaning his car every day. We all know what that's like, but look at her. It's a kneeling right there when she's doing her roses. She's pruning her, she's not even wearing jeans, she's wearing shorts. And she doesn't want her knees to get all dirty. I don't either. There's a little garden bed that's a little bit higher, so she can flip it over. It will become a seat at the perfect height, so she's not, you know, breaking her back. I mean, it's back-breaking work for a reason, right?
It is, right. There's a reason not all of us garden.
Yeah.
But here's the other great part about this. The affordability today, never been better. At $19.95, we're gonna do this 5 flex payments on special on all of our garden items. So you get this home for under $4, but you will use this, and here's the great part, year after year after year. For under $20, something you use inside, outside. You will find that whether you're cleaning the baseboards, I know some people do
grout.
that. May not be you.
It's not me.
But some people clean some people to
it's
get
not
down.
Alyce.
To even clean the bathtub. Okay?
I didn't even think about that.
This is perfect because you put it right up there, and then you get down here, and you're able to do that. Or if you have a brush or the turbo scrub, which I totally love, then you can keep it upright like that, and just reach over and be able to get to it. There are so many ways that you will use this. So again, sometimes we put labels on things, sometimes we call it a garden folding seat, but this is so much more than just for the garden. This is indoors, outdoors. Anytime you need a hand getting down, getting up, saving your knees, this is the way to do it. And it folds up, so how do you, I know, it's kind of,
just stay right
I forgot
there.
about
so right
that part.
here, there are little, I'm gonna try to get this. There's little, you just squeeze it, which unlocks the mechanism.
Yeah.
And it allows you to fold, and you hear it lock into place. I mean, that's solid steel. And then you can hang it, move it around wherever you need to do it. And then when you hear it click, you know, it's locked into place. But right there, Alyce, this is our alternative, right? This is what you can buy online, these cheap foam things.
Right.
You can buy knee pads they have to strap on. None of these have handlebars. None of them help. I mean, really, I mean, these are gonna be fine to sort of support your knees, sure.
Plus, you know, you usually have a lot of moisture.
Feel
if
that.
you're outside, you know, you're not gonna wanna use that.
No.
I mean, this makes so much
But
more
this,
sense. See how it's elevated? So it's not
yeah.
actually on the ground.
Yeah, exactly. So when you put it in rock, you can actually see the space between the EVA foam and the rock there, because the rock is white. That's a great shot. It is. The EVA foam will never touch the ground, whether you're in the kneeling position or the seated position. It won't matter. It's all going to be safe. There she is, trimming a tree, using it as a seat. It's that perfect height that we've always wanted. Trimming the little bushes. See, her needs to be on that concrete path or that stone path. But since she has the 2-in-1 garden seat kneeler, she doesn't have to worry about her knees getting all scraped up and dirty. And then you hang it right back in the garage.
I love how it collapses and so simple, so easy. Listen, about half of our quantity is gone. We launched this morning, right? I think it's made like,
Thank you so much.
Second airing. Half of our quantity completely gone. We have about 2,500 left, maybe. So if you're thinking about it, this is a great time to pick it up. Think ahead. I know that right now a lot of us can't go outside and we can't do our gardening, but you'll want to. And you will use this inside your house, I think, as much as you will use it outside. Again, this is not that little piece of foam. This is all powder coated, right? So you're not gonna have to worry about chipping or anything like that.
You can keep it outside.
It's lightweight, it flips around, and then it collapses whenever you want it to.
That's right.
Under $20 for it and 5 flex payments.
Winner.
You just bring us the smartest things.
For you,
Thank you.
anything.
Thank you.
And for
bring
you,
us some
anything.
stuff on our Saturday show.
Okay.
Because Callie Northagen and I are going to see you Saturday morning, tomorrow morning, 10 to 12, with another edition of
My favorite.
Nice mixed.
Hey, I was there last Saturday.
Yes, you were.
I
was not. But I will be there this Saturday, and I'm going to be there tomorrow with Curtis Stone at 9 a.m., so I hope you'll join me for that. We have something very special for you. Stay in the ordering process for this. Happy spring, and get ready, because Colleen is coming up next.